How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so I just picked up this Carafe. This is by the company Tiken, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about this product, so I just want to try it out. This is something that I always wanted to get and was kind of confused, which one to get. So let's see what comes in the box. So, okay, so it does have some kind of instruction manual. So they have these three sizes, and the one I have is the big one, the 2 liter, 68 ounce. Right there, 68 ounce. And just have some instruction how to wash it and clean it. Do not use bleach, detergent containing chlorine to clean the product. Prohibited to use in microwave ovens, of course. Avoid collision, which may cause surface depression and damage, and do not pour liquids that are prone to high pressure, and avoid storing hot milk to prevent deterioration. Okay, so these are some good tips. And talks about cleaning instructions, inner wall, lid, and some other stuff. So it's very nicely made, and the one thing that I like the best is when I put it down, I was thinking it's gonna make a noise, but it does not. So it does have a rubber seal at the bottom, so you can put it and it's not gonna make that noise with metal touching anything. So love the finish. It's stainless steel throughout, and just looks amazing. It does have a flappers to open the inside so we can pour the liquid out. And I'm going to go ahead and twist it open. And over here you can see nice rubber seal. This thing is silicone seal, so it seals pretty good. Inside we have this, I think it's also stainless steel, kind of metal inside, so it's not glass. So if you think it's glass, no, it's not. The glass seems to shatter with these kind of jugs. So if you're getting the same quality and everything, without the glass, I would probably take it without the glass, because it's all about the insulation between the inner layer and the outside layer. And we'll do some tests on it. I'm gonna pour some hot liquid. So I'm warming up some tea right here, and we're gonna store this in here and come back. But before I do that, of course, I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna follow the cleaning instructions and make sure you clean this before you use it, because this is a brand new product, so you never know. It's always a good idea to clean it, even though I'm sure they do clean it before they send it to us. But just for my satisfaction, I'm going to go ahead and wash it, clean it, and then I'm going to pour the hot liquid in there and maybe leave it there for a few hours and see how much and what the temperature is like. So we'll do that test. Okay, so I just washed it, and I used this brush and some light detergent for dishwasher, and just cleaned it from outside, with a soft cloth, and of course from inside, I kind of rinsed it. I put a little bit in there, closed the lid, and shook it really well, and then I brushed it from inside, and I think that cleaned pretty good. So now I'm ready to pour my tea in there, and I'll monitor it. Okay, so after about 3 hours, I poured this cup down, and it's still hot. So I think it's a pretty good jug, it keeps the hot water hot. I haven't tried the cold water, but I'm pretty sure it's going to keep the cold water cold as well. So I think overall I'm going to give it a pretty good rating. It's well made, very nice quality built, and everything is pretty good. And it keeps the tea hot. So, or if you even put the hot water or anything that you're trying to keep hot or cold, I think it's going to maintain the temperature. So I think overall I'm very satisfied with this. So definitely recommend this company, and it's a very well made jug. So all right, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys an overview of this particular brand and how it works out for me. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.